G'day everyone, my name's Bruce Smith and welcome to another edition of In Nature's Realm. Now, once a year, my friends and I, we all have a weekend away. We use different venues when we do have this weekend away. And this year, it was right next to a private trout fishery. And what a fishery this place was. It was just fantastic. Now, at a later date, I will have an episode with the finer details of this private fishery and how you can fish it. And let me tell you, this lake is a challenging lake to fish. It's very, very hard, and I'll explain that in that issue. But in this edition, I want to emphasize how my friends just were so excited when they came down and they watched me fish. It was just fantastic to see the excitement in their faces when I did catch a fish, how enthralled they were with all the different aspects of fly fishing. And you know, even when we went back to camp, I showed them flies, I showed them all different aspects of fly fishing, and they were absolutely amazed. So that's what I want to show in this episode, and hopefully I've inspired some of my friends, or one of my friends, to actually take up fly fishing, and that'd be great, and hopefully I've inspired you, the viewer. So let's watch this episode and see how this private fishery brought so much joy to all my friends. See you soon. Alright, here we go on another adventure, another fly fishing adventure, and welcome to another edition of In Nature's Realm. Now today I'm fishing a private fishery, and this is not open to the public, and I will divulge everything about this lake at a later date. But there's actually two lakes, and they are beautiful. They are what nature is all about. And here we have the lake. What a pretty lake this is. It's just magnificent. It's beautiful. Ooh, follow. you going, boys? No, nothing yet. Yeah, there's more fish in that lake, but I want to try this lake out because I've got the wind behind me and there could be bigger fish. I just want to experiment a bit. A little a bag fly. It's like a bait fish imitation. No, not a dry. There's nothing rising at the moment. No insects on the surface. So it'd be really a waste of time. So you want to get something down deep, you know. You're in the way them. Oh, I'll go down. I'll go up to the other lake, I think. I'll cast against the wind. Yeah. Plenty of insect life. Yeah, it's damsel flies. You see those damsel flies flying around? Quite a few of them around. Sheldon! Where are you, mate?
It's not a fucking hook on it, mate. Where is it?
See?
Where?
Show us your stuff, Bruce.
Where?
There, look.
What, that?
Yeah.
How can the fish see that, mate?
I can see that. Mate, they can.
It's the same colour as the water, mate. You want something with a bit of...
Sheldon, where are you?
You want something with a bit of body in it, mate. A yellow one or...
Which Sheldon? Did he? Oh, okay.
What's that thing? Go? Is that a
Hey?
GoPro?
Hey, man.
That's the fly.
No, I mean on your here.
Oh, that's my GoPro camera. Say hello, Mum. Say hello, Mum.
Mate, I think you should put a yellow one on something on.
Oh, gold's pretty much yellow, wouldn't it?
Bruce, hang on.
What's just the
Look at the
these
camera
two
and
doing?
go. Cheese.
Say hello.
It's a camera. You gotta go. Cheese.
You got plenty of room behind you up that corner.
Yeah, I might go up there. What, that corner over there? But I mean, the only thing is I didn't bring the waders and I want to be able to release them, so I've got a gap there. And bring them up to the edge and... Is there a gap there?
Bruce.
Alright, I'll go over there.
No talk, no action.
Alright, okay. Just oh no. I was on the camera going, I was going, here we are on a beautiful private fishery here. It's so peaceful and quiet. And now look at it, there's about 200 people there.
All the news has got around. Big Bruce.
Where you going, Bruce?
Around where Gordon is.
Really thick line, Bruce.
Yeah. You're actually casting the line, Julie. And come and have a look at this fly I tied. Come here. Come here, people. I want to show you something.
Falling down this hill once.
It looks like
Hold that. I want to show you something. This is grouse.
That's so
I'm sure I've got them in there.
Is there anything rising?
I'll
Oh,
put
but
them in
that's
here.
not.
That's just used. That's what you use to get that out there.
Oh, okay. Oh, and that's the lure.
Are these all ones you made, Bruce?
Yeah.
These are the ones Bruce has made. All
Right,
these.
this is a grasshopper.
Oh,
Look at that.
you made that?
Yeah, it's a grouse one.
Love his eyes.
Can I show Lenny those? I think you'd be.
No, but watch the hook when you
No,
do
I know
something.
that.
Yeah.
He won't get it.
So do
Yeah,
you
take that
really
top-
need to
that
put
top
the eyes on it? Like,
No, you don't really.
Yeah.
But it's just that catches the fisherman.
that's
Ooh, look at
amazing.
this one.
Lenny, don't hook me.
Can you, oh, that's it. Yeah.
I'm gonna go.
Got all different.
Where do you get the stuff from?
You buy them at shops and feathers up wherever you want to go, you know.
It's really light.
Yeah. It's
Right, I'm
unreal.
gonna take Are you currently recording?
Yes.
Yeah. I'll definitely keep it too. I don't know.
So,
I'll get that one.
no, I don't want to.
Guess
I want to carry it.
Oh, you
want
wanna carry it
I
on?
feel like I'm going to catch
All right,
something.
let's go.
Why is it so light? Is that so you can do this?
Yeah, because it's a real light outfit, you know what I mean, for a fisher, you know what I mean? And you're casting really light weights, you know what I mean? That fly is so light.
So there's only...
That's what you cast, the weight of the line, but the whole weight of the line.
So
And you got to do it in a really well-timed fashion. You know
And
what I mean?
that's
Like
what catches the fish.
Yeah.
The-
exactly, and that's your invisible section from your fly line to your fly. You know what I mean?
Unbelievable.
It's grouse. If you ever done it, a lot of women are getting into it nowadays. Telling you, big time. But the best thing is, well, yeah, watch it, it's $1,000 rod.
Oh.
Yeah, keep it down low. Hey?
Which had the brown and the
Look
rainbow?
out, Pete.
Apparently there's browns in that one, and this one's got the rainbows.
Yeah, that's right. We caught 2 rainbow out of it.
Yeah, I know, I don't know.
Yeah, you know the archery place? You know where the archery is, where we park the cars?
Yeah, let me grab that rod,
Just behind there.
Julie, so you don't break the tip on it.
You don't trust me.
No, I trust you, but it's so easy. I've broken tips before, you know what I mean?
So what's the better fish?
Sorry?
The brown or the rainbow? Obviously the rainbow.
Oh, they're both great. The rainbows fight better, but the browns are harder to catch, and the rainbows are pretty easy to catch. That's
So
sort
this
of
is
the,
what's in here.
yeah. Well, apparently.
So does noise scare them away?
Yeah. Well, more vibrations on the ground. You can yell as much as you want.
Okay.
Even like Murray cod, like they're sort of like deaf to sound, but vibrations they'll feel it. So if you're on the bank and you stamp the ground,
Oh, they're good as it is.
off they're going. They'll feel the. Right, we'll try this fly out. See how we go with this play. Thanks, Lucy. Yeah, just pull like that. Yeah, that's it. Hang on now. You're all right there. You're all right.
Now we're laughing, I reckon.
Now this fly, you got to retrieve it slowly, real slow, like just inch it back, and you got more of a chance of hooking up probably.
How far under the water is the fly, Bruce?
Oh, probably a couple of feet, depending. What I'd like to do is cast it down there, but I've got that tree there, so. I've got my waders in the back of my car, I'll put them on, but I mean, I'm not going to gain much. Yeah.
You make slides about the hook,
Yeah. Oh yeah.
grasshopper one.
Yeah, like remember at the tackle show you came one year, right?
Yeah.
And I tied up a frog pattern and I just cut the barb off and a lady used it as a brooch.
Oh, really?
Yeah. She loved it.
Well, no, the whip got that, Bruce.
Nah, I was stepping on the line.
Oh, that would happen.
That's what happened. Story of my life, you know. I can't believe it. Friggin'. I fish by myself and I catch a million trout. And then you get a crowd and you can't catch one. That's a bit of cast.
Slow down, young girl.
Oh yeah, that can be pretty productive sometimes.
On the fly, Bruce.
Oh yeah, I fished the Swampy Plains River at night, and we caught that many fish. like 4 pounders, 5 pounders. But we also caught 3 bats and 1 cow. Seriously, I had my rod like this. I hooked into a bat, and I'm going, hey boys, have a look at this, and he's flying around.
Oh, they were after the insects.
Yeah,
Yeah,
and zoomed in on it. Classic. Yeah, show's over. Show's over.
Goes over.
Yep.
Fly off.
Hey?
Fly go off.
No, it's still. You watch, you'll all go, and I'll hook into a 20. You know what'll happen? You'll all go, I'll hook into a 20 pounder, and my GoPro camera will run out of battery. That's what'll happen. It's just so tidy. It's unreal. It's like, you know, there's so much shit around you, you know. Well, that's it. That's the challenge, but. I'll stay for another 10 minutes. Oh, yeah, hang on. Yes, I've got one. Hey! You beauty! Jesus! There he is! Hey, he is good. Hey, Gordon, you want to get in there in the water and get him? Oh, good on you. Oh, Jesus, he's running. Jeez, he's strong.
Margaret, you got my camera?
How deep in do we got to go up?
Hey?
How far in do you want me to go?
Just past the tussock, sir, if you can. And then just get him and just, do you know how to release him? Like, you know, like take a look.
Give it a big kiss.
I should have brought my waders, I would have been right. They're in the back of the car.
They fall in.
Now I'll get it close to you. I'll bring it close to him. Oh, geez, he's fighting. Whoa! Look at that, Lenny. Lenny, look at the fish.
Did you see the fish, Lenny?
I'll get over here.
All right, yeah. Well, he's right next to. He's right there. Tommy, can you walk down to there? All right, I'll bring him to you. I'll bring him to you. There he goes. You need to hold him up. Show everyone.
Hand under his belly. No? Just whistling it.
And I'm going to aim this camera. There you go. There you got him. Oh no, you haven't. Hang on, I'll bring him back there. Oh, he's a nice fish, isn't he? He's probably about 2 pounds. He's a rainbow. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, nice fish. Have a look at that.
Magnificent.
There, one for the camera. Well done, Tommy. Good catch, mate. Look at that, Lenny. Have a look at the fish, Lenny.
Hold him up, Tom. Harbo.
Yeah.
Well done, champ.
Yeah, mate. No worries.
Catch him, bud.
Thanks, mate. There he is.
No, the other way, so you see his side.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Fishy.
Right, now try and get that fly out of his mouth. Just put your finger down and push it. Push it.
See you later, fishy. Put him in the water so he doesn't.
That's it. Well done, Tommy. You champion.
Bye-bye, fishy.
Fair dinkum. That was the best. That's the best release. No, put him back. Put him back. The bloke wants some. He doesn't want people to keep. That's grouse, isn't it?
Bye-bye, fishy.
Perseverance. Push him back and forth. Push him back and forth.
You going?
Grab him and then push him. Push him. He's gone now. He's right. All right. Well done. Jeez, mission accomplished.
Pressure's off, Bruce.
Pressure's off. It's like 10 monkeys have left me back, Brownie.
What about that black snake that bit me on the leg?
Hang on. Yeah, wait. Oh no! Jesus, wait for me, will you? Hey? Yeah, I'll come back too. I'll come back tomorrow morning early, I think. And I've got my 4-waders in the back of my car, so I'll be able to get in the water.
That was a nice bloody fish.
I know. Bloody hell. Now, if that's like, because that's the first fish you caught, and that's the size of them, Jesus, what are the others going to be like? I don't know. Could be the average size.
Well done, Tommy.
Yeah, hey, Tommy, that was grouse. Have you ever done that before?
Yes.
Oh, right, okay. Oi, I caught one. It was a beauty. It's on the camera. This will be a...
Is it still recording?
Yeah, it is.
And he's
Say hello, everyone.
still swimming?
You're on in Nature's Realm. You beauty. The best channel on YouTube. The best.
I'm going to subscribe.
No.
Oh,
Yeah, it's good.
that's awesome.
Yeah. No, it's good. Right at Death Knock. They're all going to go home.
Which one did you get him on?
I got to change flies, and I got him on a nymph. This little damsel nymph. Have a look. See how he looks like a real nymph? He's got eyes and everything.
Show Tabitha your grasshopper.
Oh yeah, he's got. I think Margaret's still got it.
Oh, it's Mark's still
Or did she put it back in the box?
Back in, she put it back in.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'll show.
We're looking at the other
Oh, you
one.
should see the grasshopper. It's grouse.
He makes them all. Oh, serious?
Yeah.
Show
That's
the
the best thing. That's the best part of it. All right.
Okay,
They're amazing.
He goes, no. These little boggle eyes.
Hey, Jimmy. I caught one, mate. Jesus. I spent 3 hours in hospital with you when you were injured, and you couldn't even spend 20 minutes.
Yeah, you prick. You tell him.
Bloody hell.
So don't repeat everything Peter says. You think to yourself, mate.
he comes up with all my lines, mate.
Very much.
Margaret, where'd you put it?
She put it with the other one.
Okay. Taking the sunglasses off might help. Let's see what. I've got that many freaking flies.
So what's a wet fly?
The wet fly, they're like wet flies.
They're a bit heavy.
They're nymphs. They're called nymphs, but
They're a bit
they're
heavy,
wet.
are they?
Yeah,
So they sink.
some of them have got the weights there, so you got
Oh,
the,
yeah,
the
on the
tungsten
ends,
and that,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
So they get down deep. Others, you just take.
So when you say deep, they go to the bottom? Or?
Yeah, they
Oh,
get down real deep, you know.
yeah.
Just in fast flowing rivers and everything. It's
Have you
amazing.
ever been up to Bendock?
Bendock? No, I haven't actually.
So you can stay up with the bridge there and you'll see them
Okay.
swimming there, the trout. Just
Okay.
swimming there, yeah.
Shit.
I used to always set a line,
Yeah.
just with a worm on it. They wouldn't even touch it.
Oh,
They wouldn't
really?
even look at the worm. Whatever, you just,
It's unreal,
the
no?
river's about this wide. Bruce, about this wide.
Oh, right.
It just goes from
Jeez.
deep holes all the
Yeah.
Delicate-
Really bushy.
delicate and that.
Like that, like with a lot of trees around it and such.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Delicate.
Yeah.
A lot of sedge grass and that
Yeah.
around the edges and that.
Yeah.
Delegate River, yeah,
Okay.
Delegate River.
Hey?
Delegate River.
Oh, yeah. It's gone down there quite a
up there,
bit.
yeah. That's
Yeah.
up that way. What do you
That's
got there?
grass up there. This is a grasshopper farm.
Is this one of yours?
Yeah, I told you. See how it looks like a grasshopper?
So how do you make that? Just out of plastic?
Out of
is it?
foam, rubber legs, those little tiny eyes.
So
you buy
what's
them.
that strand there? What's that? Is that rubber, is it?
Yeah, that's like a rubber band, but more
Because up there
more
there's a lot of
sophisticated. You know what I mean?
A
Yeah.
lot of grass on it.
Yeah, I know.
Up there,
Can't
yeah.
wait for grasshopper season. It's going to be very in summer. Isn't it?
You want to head up there one day?
Tabitha. Yeah, have a look.
Ew! Look at the
Put your hand out.
He's really.
Bruce made that.
Push that part down really hard.
No.
No.
The eyes on the
No,
bottom,
he's got a
so
hook.
be
He's
careful.
fine.
How clever is that?
Cool.
How long does it take, Bruce?
Oh, some take. Oh God, there's one that takes me an hour to tie, and I can tie a frog. When I was at the tackle show, I tied this frog right. He had a hook in the middle, a hook on the back legs, each hook, another hook on the other 2 legs, and then the 2 front legs had a hook, right? And that's how you fish it and so forth. But this girl said to me, this lady said, "Oh, could you make me one right now without any of the hooks?" I said, "Yeah, easy." So boom, 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 just snipped off the barbs and everything like that. And she goes, "Grouse, I'm going to use it as a brooch." It was like a little frog, because it looked exactly like a frog. And then I make a mouse flies. The flies look exactly like a mouse. It's unreal.
Why with the hook at the front? What's that to do?
No, at the back.
Fish come from underneath.
No, like this guy.
Oh no, that's where you put your leader. Yeah, that's the eye
Oh,
of the
that's
hook.
how he
Yeah,
holds
you
on.
put your leader
Yeah,
tight
okay,
there
gotcha.
and you go
That's
from
where you
there.
hold
Too
onto it
much
when you got it
effort.
in the
That's
water.
a lot of effort.
Oh yeah, but you know that's the fun of tying it.
Little mouth, Bruce.
Sorry?
Trout. A trout only got a really little.
Do you want to have another look anyway? No.
No, but they
They got
swallow
a
it.
mouth big like that.
They swallow it.
So how come it's got such a tiny little hook?
You only need a little bit.
Yeah, you only need.
Red.
You just as long as you
have to
got that,
hook 'em.
as long as you got that gap, as long as you see that width from the body to there, as long as you got that gap there, you'll hook any fish. If that was like built right up towards the hook where the barb is, then it wouldn't get any purchase, you know what I mean? And you wouldn't be able to hook them. So it's
Because it doesn't hook.
so.
You know that when they say here,
Mandy, here's a grasshopper fly I'd made. Does it look like a grasshopper?
that is so clever.
Isn't it grouse?
And then
And the trout love them. Yes, I'm recording everything. So it'll be good memories for us.